Now, most people could not solve this particular question because what they did was to subtract square root of x from square root of 5x, okay? Because they are seeing x here, they are seeing x here, they just subtracted it straight away, and that is very wrong, okay? Now, let's solve this together. The first thing we are going to do, let me write solution. Okay, so our question is square root of 5x minus square root of x, and this equals 8, okay? Now, we are going to apply this rule. If you have square root of AB, okay, this equals square root of A times square root of B, okay? Now, if we apply this rule here, we are going to have square root of 5 times square root of x minus square root of x, and this equals 8. Now, looking at this, you have a common term here, which is square root of x and square root of x. We can factor that out, okay? So we have square root of x, open parenthesis, square root of 5 times square root of x divided by square root of x. We are left with square root of 5, okay? Then minus square root of x divided by square root of x will give us 1, and this equals 8. Now, the next we are going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by square root of 5 minus 1. So we'll divide this by square root of 5 minus 1 and divide here by square root of 5 minus 1, okay? So this will cancel out this, and we are left with square root of x will be equal to 8 divided by square root of 5 minus 1. Now, for us to solve further, looking at this, you can see that we have an irrational number as denominator here. And for us to remove it as a denominator, we are going to first of all rationalize. We are going to rationalize this, okay, by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 5 plus 1, okay, divide by square root of 5 plus 1. We are trying to rationalize, okay. So from here, square root of x will be equal to 8 times square root of 5 plus 1 give us 8, open parenthesis, square root of 5 plus 1, okay? Now divide by, looking at this denominator, the two denominators here, we have a common difference of 2 squared, okay? So it simply means that we are going to have square root of 5, okay, all squared, then minus 1 squared, okay? This is difference of 2 squared. So from here, we have square root of x to be equal to 8, open parenthesis, square root of 5 plus 1. Now from here, this square will cancel out this square root, and we'll have 5 minus this 1 squared is 1. So we'll have square root of x, and this equals 8, open parenthesis, square root of 5 plus 1, and this will be divided by 5 minus 1 equals 4, okay? From here, this 4 will divide itself 1, divide 8 will give us 2. So we have square root of x, and this equals 2, open parenthesis, square root of 5 plus 1, okay? Now, from here, we can square both sides so that we can remove this square root here, okay? So we are going to introduce square bracket, and we'll square here. So this square will cancel out this square root, and we'll have only x here. Now, this will be equal to, we use this square to open this parenthesis. We have 2 squared times square root, open parenthesis, square root of 5 plus 1 all squared. Okay, so this is what we have now. So we have x will be equal to 2 squared is 4 times, now there is a rule, there is an identity, algebraic identity rule we are going to apply here. Now that will say that if you have a plus b all squared, now this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, okay, plus 2ab. So from here, from this square root of 5 plus 1, we are going to express it in this form. So we are going to open a square bracket. Let's open a square bracket, okay? So from here, we are going to have a will be equal to this square root of 5 here. Sorry, square root of 5. And b equals 1, okay? So remember that we have a square here. So we are going to have 5, square root of 5 squared, okay, plus b squared is 1 squared, okay? Then plus 2 times a, remember that a is square root of 5, okay, then times 1. And this is what we have here. So x will be equal to 4. Then this square here will cancel out this square root here, and we'll have this to be 5 plus 1 squared is 1, okay? Then plus 2 times square root of 5 times 1 will give us 2 square root of 5. And this is what we have. So we have x to be equal to 4, then open parenthesis, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus square root of plus 2 times square root of 5. So from here we have this to be, it implies that x will be equal to 4 times 6 will give us 24, plus 4 times 2 square root of 5 will give us 8 square root of 5. And this is the correct answer to this given question. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.